I think this accident happened because of black ice.
Oh, what the fuck?
This accident is a perfect example of craziness. Always put a dash cam in your car because nobody know what gonna happen in future.
With pain. She found herself in no possible return, if only so he could again free her from her agony. When at last the door to the eight-sided chamber swung open, she was unable to suppress her relief.
Alright, baby.
I think white car owner is a drunk person. First he hit front car and then hit back car and run away without commit his crime. Drive slowly because you are follow all your rules but somebody not.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus! Oh.
I can't find whose fault here. This is called instant karma. Why you take your car on the floor of ice?
大呢？喂，真的！
快起来！小孩，快救小孩！
哎呀，我的！
What the hell is going on here?
I was gonna say you should put an eyes, eyes, glasses, a nose, and then bury the mouth.